আচ্ছা স্যার এতিয়া পুলিচ ৰিক্ৰুটমেণ্ট লগা ৰিটেন টেষ্ট ৰিজল্ট ওলাইছে আৰু ইয়াতে আমি কাৰণ হোম মিনিষ্টাৰে কিবি এইটো লগা ওপৰতে হোটাহতি কৰিছে তো ইয়াতে স্যাৰ বিং দ্য DGP ইন কেছ কোৱালিফাইড মানুহ চিলেক্ট হোৱা নাই নহ'লে কোনোবাটো স্যাৰ RTI মাৰি আছে এতিয়া RTI মিলাই মাৰি কিনা এভলিউশ্যন দি কোনোবা মিষ্টেক থাকিছে বোলে স্যাৰ এইটো লগা ওপৰতে কেনেকুৱা হ'ব নহ'লে এক্সামিনাৰ কাৰণ কি আপুনি একশ্যন ইনিচিয়েট কৰিব নে নকৰিব নহ'লে কোনোবাটো স্যাৰ আনকোৱালিফাইড কি সিলেক্ট কৰি না থাকিছে কোনা ফাইণ্ড আউট কৰিছে এইটো চব লগাব পৰে স্যাৰ আপুনি কি ষ্টেপছ ল'বলৈ তৈয়াৰী কৰি আছে স্যাৰ
এইটো ৰিক্ৰুটমেণ্ট লগা physical marks to sab jane ase people have some apprehensions about the written marks we are open to any RTI applications which any candidate or anyone wants to put you must realize that the marking as announced the question papers were multiple choice marking was with hand so it was not OMR I will explain why we could not do OMR because there was discussion in the leadership in the state government saying that our minimum qualification is class 6 and class 8 so some of the candidates may not be able to do the OMR thing of their own names and all okay so that is why we decided that we will have multiple choice questions where the people can answer by putting tick marks now even on the answer scripts it was written that double marking of answers you will get 0 marks okay someone has erased it you will get 0 marks okay it was written in the question paper itself now some people did not read it not only the candidates some of our officers also at the centers may not have read this okay so as you all know that I had put out a post that there were some reports of impersonation so once we knew that there was impersonation then we decided that we will check the marks we will retotal the marks of almost all the written papers okay so we did a retotaling of the marks rechecking of the marks there were some errors those errors have been corrected what action will be taken on those people who have done a mistake that is a later on thing okay first we have tried to be fair so we have retotaled the marks rechecked the marks as per what are the instructions given we have as I said it was manual so there is a possibility that there may be genuine mistakes and errors okay if there are genuine mistakes and errors we are open to any RTIs or people want to come and see their marks or visit with an RTI visit in the next 3-4 days before the interviews commence we can show them their examination papers okay so if there is a mistake and they have to get more marks and they do it before that we probably allow that to happen okay we have no problem in doing that but also imagine that if everybody starts coming then also it's like 6,700 7,000 people it's not possible okay then the other thing is there are some people who are saying that these people should not have qualified but they are in the merit list okay I don't know what are the specifics of the information they have if anyone has information about someone who should not have scored high marks in written you know it personally please let us know we will recheck okay that is a much better method rather than just alleging that to pavale na hoy ole paise you know someone who is maybe class 6 pass and he has got say for example 39 out of 40 in written to kobi na makan check korbo to pavale na hoy to no theoretically pavale na hoy he can get still but we will recheck the marks okay so please come to us report to us if there are specific things that you know now a lot of it is misconception among people hame to kureshe hame bhi interview te jao lage okay this was the same thing happened from physical to interview also we had made it very clear that whoever appears in the physical number of vacancies for each district and tribe multiplied by 10 will go for the written okay one vacancy multiplied by 10 times will be selected for the written examinations similarly number of vacancies multiplied by 3 will be taken for the interview stage so if you have fallen below this even if you have scored very high marks you will not be called okay but this 1:3 say for example just imagine that the cutoff mark is 10 10 is the lowest that one person gets so In some cases, there may be multiple number of people who have 10 marks at the bottom of the list. तो ताकि उनके तो सबके marks interview में. Okay, so all of them are being called for that interview. If someone is 9.5, obviously he is not going to be called. So, I think this will explain. But if anyone has a problem, you know of someone who has done a cheating, or someone has done impersonation, or someone may have been given good marks where he does not warrant good marks, please come to us. Give us the details of the roll number or the name of the person or the tribe of the person. We will recheck. On the issue of our staff or the invigilators or anyone who is doing this, we will have a look at all this based on specific instances and complaints. Okay, if someone has deliberately done something, definitely action will be taken against them.
Sir, मैं एक बार physical test लावी होती वाले मोन as a physical recruitment करने जा रहा for men 12 minutes 3 kilometers sir आरो माइकी खान लावी अलग difference तो था किसे sir होली भी मैं खान तारे चुमुकी दी माला का recruitment ला साइगने जैसे कोले तो 20 जन माजोरे खाली एक जन ना 2 जन ही पारे आने आला भी था किसे sir and we heard people watching and also saying that maybe यारे ब्राही so filter kuri dishe bole to kumba fit mentally or knowledge wise fit koi ne thaki she bole bi bishi bag to filter koi na ekdam ina in exam karne jabi ina sir do you think it was quite okay apni han
See,
recruitment dia laga
we have not tried to change any criteria of recruitment. Okay, my personal view is that we can probably include one more item and reduce the marks of some, so that see, everybody is not good in everything. For example, I don't know swimming. If I am to be eliminated because I don't know swimming, then it is unfair to me because I can be very good in other things. So that is my personal view. But this time we have followed whatever the system of marking was there in the past. Okay, we have not changed anything. So I think it was fair. Now even if you say, no, ito apni Dimapur lag ko aise because you cover Dimapur. Hole bhi ami to kobo. If some system was followed for Dimapur and it was the same system followed for all candidates in Dimapur, then it is not unfair. Nah?
Okay.
If I have to run in Dimapur, if I have to run in 10 minutes and get 20 marks and someone has to run in 20 minutes and get the same marks, then it is unfair. With everyone running the same distance and the same minutes is there, I don't think it is unfair. It is fair for everybody.
Sir, and one more question. A lot of the people there and even the spectators also man fitness la stress kura la bishi kwasi sir. Aro Nagaland la mohan sai Nagaland la context sai share kole do moi han youths kan holi bi especially in a place like Dimapur also workout kurle na exercise kurle la jaga han bi komti ase sir. But all in all, as the DGP yourself and still more itia bi apni han ko anishna thousands of more vacancies to come sir. On your answer, fitness la opor, what will be your advice for aspiring youths sir?
See, you know, as DGP and as a police officer, I think rather than commenting on the fitness part of it, kiman try koribo, kon try koribo, ki criteria thakibo, kon ke lobo. For me, I think that probably as a police officer, as a professional, it is secondary. The more important thing is that if I am recruiting someone today, he should be physically, mentally and professionally fit to serve us after 30 years, after 20 years. Tai ajibi na parebo kole to kali kine ka parebo. So that is the more important thing. I think Nagaland police as such, Nagaland government, all of us have to sit together and decide that whether we just want fit people or we want educated and fit people or fit and educated people. So because the scheme of policing is changing, you know, so now newer forms of crime like cyber crime and all are coming. So kunba manu kamti pura thaka manu to tai kot chalabo na, so he will not be able to do his job. Say 10 years, even now he may not be able to do it 10 years. So, but this is ongoing process. We will re-evaluate the systems. We will also evaluate the requirements of Nagaland police, and if it is required in consultation with government and other stakeholders and all, we try to change whatever criteria if required.
Now, sir, last question. Arubi June moina de any additional 1,200 nishna laga fresh advertisement kan olabo kona sir abuni babi kushe. So idu laga record TV ni abuni notun updates kan kumba koina nokoi.
Hoy, ito olabo pagka. Okay. This year we will definitely have recruitment. That is one thing for sure. Okay. When we will have, it is still not clear. Okay, because abhi to this recruitment cycle has not finished. It will finish by 15th or 16th of March maybe. Okay, after that only we will think. Now the advantage of doing it this time with acceptance of applications online portal is that we have a lot of data about who is applying, educational, fitness, everything. So we will be able to assess and also reformulate our guidelines and criteria. So this may take some time. Then we will go to government and consult with other stakeholders also, as she said, that whether we want to have change in criteria also. Okay, koribo na korbo ito to dusra kotha ase hole bhi hopefully. As this time you have seen that we started our advertisements around October. Okay, so it has taken us because of the Hornbill and Christmas holidays and all. एक महीना तो परा नहीं तो एक तभी plus that strike because of the induction thing. All it got delayed. So if you say that it has taken us about 5 months, but next time it will take us about say 3.5 months. So if we start by June or July, we should be able to complete the next cycle of recruitment by December. Our aim is that by the time this batch of recruits finishes its training, the next batch should have been recruited. That is the aim. That is the aim. Thank you.
Thank you so much.